to the cap because the cap didn't break, right? The cap stayed capped.
Thank goodness.
It stayed capped.
Yeah.
So no big storms, no runaway thunderstorms, no wind storms, no trees down.
So, I mean, it did get a little rowdy up in Oklahoma and Arkansas, but luckily here in East Texas, everything stayed behaved last night.
Yeah.
So,
well, that's a change.
Prayers answered.
Especially, I mean, Neil, you weren't here. I mean, that's the reason why the cap stayed in place.
Exactly.
So, I guess you need to work less.
Mischievous. Well, let's see about that.
Okay.
Write it down on the notes. Write this down, too. Look at this. Monthly rainfall totals, about 2.6 inches of rain in Tyler. Longview, about 1 2/3 of an inch, 2.25 in Lufkin. Folks, we're pretty close to normal through February 16th now, since we have our official results out of the 3 major cities on what our highs and lows and rainfall totals were for the day. So, some good news here. We continue to remain on pace to completely kill this drought. Speaking of that, the latest drought monitor that was released this morning, we don't have it in the area anymore. We had a D1 moderate drought across Anderson County. That has been downgraded to pre-drought in Palestine and places in central Anderson County. So some great news there. We continue to make huge strides in the right direction as far as eliminating that drought altogether. And we get to look at this as well. Look at this, Longview. Beautiful skies over downtown right now, and that is a beautiful sunset in the making. As we look at satellite and radar, part of the reason we're seeing this is that storm system has now moved off to the northeast, and the cold front has pushed further off to the east, but it is still a gully washer right now in Alabama and parts of Mississippi with all this rain coming down, and they have one warning to the north of Birmingham right now. That's a severe thunderstorm warning, but again, they're seeing the weather. We are not tonight. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s right now, but that temperature change over the last 24 hours, we were still in the 70s at this time yesterday, so we have trended about 20 to 30 degrees colder than what we were just 24 hours ago. Now, as we look at these wind speeds, folks, it's been windy today. I mean, if you were running north or walking north, whatever you were doing, you noticed this. We had a strong northwesterly wind, anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. Being said, they have died down just a little bit, but you factor this into the air temperature that we are seeing. These wind chills are in the 30s and 40s, so they're about 5 to 10 degrees colder than what it actually is out there. So bundle up if you're heading out tonight. Maybe you're walking the dog or something like that, or just walking around. It will be chilly. We're down to 29 degrees, so I do have a freeze in my forecast. Those forecast highs for Friday afternoon, those high temperatures should remain in the lower 50s, but the big difference maker for tomorrow is those clouds will be on the decrease, which does mean we'll see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon, and that puts everybody in a great mood, and they can just soak up that vitamin D. But big contrast from where we were yesterday, folks. We hit 80 degrees in Tyler yesterday, and that was the first time this year that we have met or exceeded that 80-degree mark. Here's the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. It is about along where we should be for February 22nd through February 26th, because we do have rain chances on Wednesday, and I do expect during that same time frame that those temperatures will remain well above normal. And here it is, the 7-day forecast. 52 tomorrow. We're warmer Saturday, but cloudier, if that's a word. 69 Sunday, 77 Monday, 80 degrees Tuesday. There's your rain chance on Wednesday. And as we look at Deep East Texas, plenty of sunshine Friday. We hit 56 Saturday. 70, that makes its return Sunday. 81 next Tuesday in Deep East Texas. Neil, Casey?
That's more like it.